We guide you through how to find the clipboard on your iPhone, even though iPhones don't have a traditional clipboard app. When you copy something on your iPhone, it's stored temporarily in the clipboard, and the easiest way to access it by pasting to check what's currently saved. Just open any app with a text box like Notes, Messages, or Safari, then tap and hold inside the text field and choose Paste. This shows whatever is currently stored on your clipboard. If you want a more organized way, open the Notes app, create a new note, tap and hold, and paste anything you've copied so you can view or save it. If you are using a third party keyboard like Gboard, it may have a built in clipboard button where you can see multiple copied items. But the default iPhone keyboard only stores your most recent copy. Anytime you copy something new, the clipboard replaces the old one. So, pasting is the only way to see what's there.